If you like aquarium content, go ahead and subscribe. So here we are with the aquarium today, and there's no lights, and that is not on purpose, actually. Not what I intended, and it's actually what this video is about. Here are my lights. They are Red Sea Reef LED something or others. Very expensive, very Red Sea bougie, all that. Okay, that's fine. And around on the back, we'll see some red lights. One is the power, and then the other is the connectivity indicator, or basically the Wi-Fi connection. Now, I'm talking a little smack about them, but I mean, I like them. They work just fine. I mean, I don't have coral, so, I think that's really where the rubber meets the road on these, but they're fine. The issue is that they have to be connected to the internet all the time to work. And coming back to the back, they are very much connected to the internet. That's that gear one with the little thing coming off. And they are not working. This isn't the first time that this has happened. This is the first time that I remembered to record it. And unfortunately, since I'm recording on my phone, and my phone is what I would use to show how they work, I can't do those at the same time. So you're just gonna have to trust me. The primary point that I wanna make here is that, I love when things are smart. I love myself a smart device, but I hate when you have a smart device that is dependent upon its smart capabilities to have even the most basic function. There is no power button on these lights. The only button on there is to basically force them into a Wi-Fi pairing mode. That's it. And when I called Red Sea, they were basically like, oh, well, that's something with your Wi-Fi connection. You just have crappy Wi-Fi. So I upgraded my Wi-Fi, excuse me, dog, to one of these systems like this that has these base stations that you put all over your house. There's 3 or 4 of these in the house. And this particular one is, I don't know, that's 20, 25 feet. I'm pretty sure Wi-Fi can do that distance. I think so. What do you think? This is Uhura, by the way. Sorry I interrupted your nap. Anyway, just a weird quirk of this Red Sea fully connected kind of stuff. Really great when it's working, really frustrating when it starts acting up. Ultimately, all I'll do is power cycle the lights and then they'll come right back, but I've just been meaning to talk about that. Reckless reefing.